Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today we will start with GK. Take out your books. This is your book and we will start with chapter 18, that is Indian festivals. So, we are going to discuss in this chapter some festivals. India is a country of festival. There is a unity in diversity. So, we can say there are number of festivals which is being celebrated here. India being a spiritual country, festivals are at the heart of people's life. Various festivals reflect the best of Indian culture. So, there we are going to discuss some of the festivals, hints are given here. Check your awareness by trying to name the festivals whose descriptions are given below. Start one by one. Are you all ready? Take out your pencils. 1. This day is celebrated 15 days before Diwali to mark the setting of winter. People prepare saffron kesar flavored kheer on this day. The festival is Sharad Purnima. Students, Sharad Purnima is the harvest Indian festival which is celebrated on the full moon day. On Hindi we can call it Purnima, when the full moon appears, as you all know. Sharad Purnima is the answer number 1. Then answer question 2. This day is celebrated to mark the day when Lord Brahma created the world. When the world was created by a Lord Brahma, that is Gudi Parva. Gudi Parva is a springtime festival which is celebrated in Marathis, and it is also a beginning of a new year, traditional new year of Marathis. Number 3, this festival is celebrated by Parsis to celebrate the setting of spring, also known as Parsi New Year. This is known as Parsi New Year and Gudi Parva is known as Marathis New Year. Faluda, Rawa and Mawani Boy are special dishes of this day. That is Jamshed Navroz. Write the spelling carefully. I am again repeating Jamshed Navroz. Now the 4th, it is a famous festival of Kerala. It is the traditional festival originated in the Kerala. A procession, Jalus, of decorated elephants is taken to Trichur to participate in the festival, that is Puram. Number 5, on this day snakes are worshipped. As you can see in the picture, इस दिन सांपों की, नागों की पूजा होती है. You can get the answer. Milk and cooked rice are offered to snakes, that is Nag Panchami. Number 6, this is one of the most popular festivals of Odisha. Lord Jagannath, his brother Balram and sister Subhadra are taken out on chariots, yani ki Rath, which is pulled by lakhs of devotees. This is Rath Yatra. Student, this is a Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath, held at Puri in the state Odisha. 7th, the South Indian festival is named after Tamil month, which coincides with Magh. On this day, devotees walk over burning coal. जलते हुए कोयले के ऊपर चलते हैं devotees. That is Thaipusam. The next chapter is Asian countries. Students, we all know there are so many continents there people live on. We are going to discuss the countries which come in the continent named Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world, covering over 23.7% of the land surface of the earth. Check your awareness about Asia and its constituent countries. We are going to check your knowledge, how much we know about these Asian countries. Number 1, which Asian country has Colombo at its capital? Sri Lanka. Again repeating, which Asian country Colombo as its capital, that is Sri Lanka. Number 2, which Asian country's currency is Rupiah? Every country has its own currency, like in India we are having rupee, Bangladesh taka, So here we are going to discuss the currency. Rupiah is the currency of Maldives. Number 3, Shogdu is the unicameral legislature of which Asian country? Unicameral means a single legislative system. 4, name the only Southeast Asian country, only one, which has never been taken over by any European power. Which has never been taken over by European power, only one, that is Thailand. Number 5, name the Asian country which is known to have one of the 7 wonders of the world, that is ruins of Petra. Student, it was nominated in 2001 and selected in 2001 by the vote of 100 million people, and that is Jordan. Number 6, which landlocked country? Landlocked means a country, a sovereign state who does not have territory connected to an ocean. If we talk about current situation, there are 49 landlocked countries. So again I am repeating the question, which landlocked country between Russia and China has its capital as Ulaanbaatar? That is Mongolia. You must have heard about this. Number 7, which small West Asian country has more than 10% of total crude oil reserves of the world? That is refined oil. Kuwait. Number 8, name the Asian country which is an archipelago state consisting of about 17,500 islands. This means an intensive groups of islands. As you can see, there are number of islands, that is 17,500, and the place is Indonesia. Number 9, which country is a group of 7 Middle East Asian states? Group of 7 Middle East Asian states, that is Emirates, and is the 8th largest producer of oil in the world, that is Union Arab Emirates, including Brazil and the Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Number 10, Jerusalem is the capital of which Asian country? Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Clear? So we shift on to the next chapter. Here we are going to discuss chapter 20, that is organs, which is given in the form of crosswords, which we have to solve by the given hints. Here is the organs of our body: heart, small intestine, large intestine, like that, spleen. Okay, there are the clues. The human body is composed of different organs with each performing a specific function. These organs do not work alone, but combine their functionally to work as system. Given below are clues related to our organ systems and their related specific functions. Read them and solve this biological crossword, which is given you in the form of across and down. So we are going to discuss first across. Number 1, it is a part of the muscular system and helps in the movement of body parts. It helps in the movement of the body part. Can you guess the answer? Number 1, across. Where is it? Try to find out. Muscles. Muscular system related to muscles. Number 4, it is a part of the digestive system that helps in digestion. Students, when we eat food, it helps it to digest, and absorption and to absorb of food takes place here, that is small intestine. Write the spelling carefully, small intestine. Number 8, it pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Yes, you can. It is a part of the circulatory system. Student, the answer is heart. Heart is a muscle at the center of the circulating system and pumping the blood around our body. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Clear? Now the next is it produces insulin. Insulin produce करता है and stores digestive enzymes which helps in the digestion of our food. It is located below the stomach. Stomach के नीचे होता है. That is number 9, pancreas. P-A-N-C-R-E-A-S. and you can get the answer as soon I read it. Number 10, a part of the respiratory system through which we breathe, सांस लेने का 2 in number, 2 होते हैं. They are located on either side of the heart, heart के sides में. They take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. You get the answer, that is number 10, guess it. Number 10 answer students, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. 12th, it is a part of the immune system which protects us, which helps us in fighting from the diseases, that destroys red blood cells that are of no use in our body. That is number 12, that is spleen. It also filters blood. Now the down, okay. Number 2, it is a part of the digestive system that absorbs water from the indigestible food, make it clear, and removes waste from our body. That is number 2. Answer, large intestine. Okay. Number 3, it is a part of the digestive system that breaks down food को break करता है, छोटे छोटे particles में convert करता है into a smaller particle so that it can be digested easily, ताकि ये easily digest हो सके. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा बताइए? Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Okay. Number 5, it is a part of the nervous system that controls all the nervous system controls all the functions of the body. Number 5, it is a very important organ of our body, that is brain, B-R-A-I-N. Number 6, it is located near the junction of the small and large intestine. Where it is located? Near the junction of the small and large intestine, and does not perform any function. A-P-P-E-N-D-I-X, appendix, does not perform any function. If it is removed from our body, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay. Number 7, it is a part of the skeleton system and gives support to the body and protects the internal organs, that is bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. And the last one is the largest gland that produces bile and biochemicals necessary for digestion. It produces bile juice which is help in the digestion of the food, and very important organ of our body, that is L-I-V-E-R, liver. I hope this much is clear. Fill it in a very neat and clean handwriting. Meet you in the next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.